Mimi hasn't anybody but you. It was a ultra picture 1, 2. Yeah, but excuse me, please. We don't do that here. Hi guys, it's me again, Danielle, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome back if you're already here. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today is another content day vlog. I'm going to be meeting up with May, the creator. She's also a lifestyle content creator, and we are going to be doing some poses for besties, okay, to give you guys some inspo on how to pose if you are besties. So currently I'm heading to my location. We are going to Kempinski. I have packed everything. We are going to be doing a lot of changeovers, so I hope today goes great. And where is that girl? Now looking for Salome. I catch her making me work with all of this luggage, like look at her. Me a video. So guys, currently we are at the where is this? Underground? Yeah, for so we'll be creating some content here. Some posing ideas, right? Expect it on your feed if he's vlogging as I'm vlogging. Guys, so we are currently trying to find a location to shoot our videos. All right, that's where we are right now. Oh, may you sure say nobody go sack us for here? Nobody will sack us. Me, I don't like disgrace, so. Mimi hasn't anybody but you. It was a ultra picture 1, 2. Yeah, but excuse me, please. We don't do that here. Yeah, wapa. Everything. Me, are we ready to go? Where's your phone? Sister, time will go. So guys, one time we went to Bondi, okay? Yeah, we went to Bondi and then we went to Bondi and we were taking pictures. May wanted to explore everywhere. We go and sit here there. She say, it's not nice. She wants to change the lights in the and there's so many things. So we were practically jumping everywhere on the porch. You see the porch before you enter Bondi. We were there, no there. This lady came, one of the people who worked there. She was like, please, my boss says it's okay. And then I was like, your boss said it's okay. So you mean your boss said he's fed of us? You get it? And she was like, no, my boss said it's okay. I said, madam, who can as if we were embarrassed. We weren't embarrassed. This is not the first time. We just packed our things and then we left. And we moved. Let's go. I like the way the shadows are playing on the surface of the wall. Very, very interesting architecture right here. Love it. Okay guys, so we are done with the first shoot, so we are going to change, do the next one. All right, so yeah, let's go. Okay guys, so this is our next, we are going to be doing our next changeover for the next posing video.
We're going to change our next outfit.
The struggle is real. Guys, we are done with our first. We are trying to see the angle of the camera. I don't, but I have one last outfit to shoot. It's a dress, so let's see what I can do. My lashes are even coming off, but we move. Guys, see our stuff. It's not a joke. Sometimes it helps if you have a car. This is content creation life, right?
Yeah. I'll come back. I'm coming back.
Yes, we have to come and shoot again because
Come back for video content.
Nina. Don't come out well. I will shoot. I'll wear this dress and I'll shoot it again. Guys, we are done for the day.
Peace out.
I forgot this for YouTube. Yeah.
We are done. We are done.
The accoutrements and then my fupa, everything. Alright, so we are just going to. Where are we going? Where would we go and get food?
Rose garden.
Let's go and get some food. So we are done for the day. Wait to get some food. So we are going to get something to eat right now. It's been a long day. We got here around 1, right? Yeah. Okay guys, so I was too exhausted to even record an outro, but thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this vlog, kindly like, comment and subscribe for more videos like this. I'll be doing this more often, recording the BTS of creating content. So let me know what you guys think in the comments and I'll see you in my other one. Bye.